Okay, so today consisted of a couple work/job meetings and things I had to attend. After I got home, I made some beautiful pasta. Gorgeous, actually. I didn't have any meat, so I used these marinated meat kebabs, and the kebabs were nice. So I chopped them up, cooked the ravioli, and then there wasn't enough sauce, so I put the sauce on top of the marinated kebabs. I thought it might ruin the beautiful kebabs, they are gorgeous. But no, bloody beautiful pasta I made. Really liked it. Can't take what's that word? I can't take the recipe. I think whatever word to use there, because I use someone's kebabs that probably from a deli or something. But the sauce they had was nice. I also changed my mind about my birthday, and I put out some birthday flyers by emails and messenger and text. I'm going to go slot car racing on my birthday. Why not? Like, why not, you know? All I was got to do was spend the money on the Grom, but I'd rather spend it and have memories, you know? So, I can buy Grom Pass when I'm in Mount Gambier. I don't know who'll come. I think I invited 14 people, just because I know they all won't come. It doesn't matter if they'll come, I'm going to do team racing anyway, so, 3 person, 1 team, 3 person, another team, 3, 6, 9, 12, that's an example. Or 4, 8, 12, or 5, 10, 15, that doesn't work out, but I'll figure it out. But yeah, bead. So yeah, that hopefully hopefully that'll be fun. Played the New Year's World of Tanks quite a bit because they had an update, new season pass and whatnot. So I finally got that. I finally got that Sherman Calliope T-34 rocket launcher tank. You pretty much had to complete 5 seasons, which is pretty much more than 5 months worth of game, I guess you can say. And then you have to do a 6th season. Sort of. You didn't technically have to do a 6th season. Once you've done 5, you qualified to get it for free. So that tank, which I got, which is a tier 6 medium, took me over half a year to get to even qualify and get it. But I did it. I completed 6 seasons. Pretty easy. I think every season I did over 150 challenges out of 100. So they just keep going up. So yeah, I'm pretty good. I got that. I'm pretty happy. Rare tank, very rare. Not many people have it, so it's nice. But me and my dad watched a movie on YouTube. The Circuit, or Circuit Racer or something. It was all about circuit racing. In other words, NASCAR. And it was a good movie. I liked it. Yeah. Yeah, that's all. So, let's say hello to everyone. Hi, my sister and my one friend and my, I don't know, I've got my, where's he from? Bosnia friend? Anyway, you know who you are. Bye.